Okay, back with problem 79. Let's go ahead and read this. At first, it appears that it might be a related rates problem. It's not. It says a spherical tank contains 81.637 gallons of water at time t equals 0 minutes. For the next 6 minutes, water flows out of the tank at a rate of 9 sine, parentheses, sine of, radical t plus 1 gallons per minute. How many gallons of water are in the tank at the end of 6 minutes? So reading comprehension for the win here. Let's make sure that these type of problems that we're answering the right question. So how many gallons of water are in the tank at the end of 6 minutes? So I think everyone would know that we're taking an integral of 9 sine radical t plus 1 dt. Okay, I think we all know that. But how are we interpreting this? This is the water flow out. Is it asking for the total water that's flowed out? No, it's not. It's asking how much is in the tank at the end of 6 minutes. This is a removal rate, though we're subtracting this. Well, how much water is in the tank? They give it to you right in the front of the problem. 81.637 gallons. So we're going to integrate this from 0 to 6. And if we plug this into a calculator, we'll go ahead and get the right answer. I'm going to go ahead and pause and write the script for what you should write, and you'll see that instantaneously pop up. Okay, so that's how it's going to look in your calculator. I put this first so I could just subtract the integral. Notice some of the junk here with the parentheses with sine and a radical. Chances are the first time you did this you might have had a syntax error. And just understand that every time you type in sine, it brings up a parentheses that needs to be closed. So this one's bringing up, and I'm just remembering, all right, when it's done, I need to put that one in right there. And same thing with square root. So when I put the square root, it brings me a parentheses right here. I need to close that one out right there. End syntax, comma x, comma your starting point, which is 0. End bound, which is 6, and we type this all in, we get 36.606 in answer choice A. If you got this one wrong, I would do this whole process again. I would write it into the calculator, write the script, kind of start from scratch, and make sure that you're able to get 36.606. And this is a very standard type problem on the calculator portion. You see this a lot in free response, rate in, rate out problems, and it's good reading comprehension, because at first you would think, I'm just going to integrate just this, and I'd imagine that that's probably one of the answers. Okay, we'll be back with problem, it's actually answer choice B. If you think about that, if you were to add these two together, you'd get 81. So answer choice B is probably selected if you just integrated this from 0 to 6 and didn't fully read the problem and what they were asking. Okay, we'll see you back for problem 80.